Hey guys, so today it's gonna be another random vlog. This one's just gonna be like random. I am gonna be going to the sunset with my friend Valerie, my bestie Westie, the Sunset Beach, and we're just gonna take some pictures. We want to take pictures because I saw this inspo by this girl. Let me show you guys. And watch it be completely opposite from like what I'm going for. But like I'm going exactly for this outfit. Like I think it's adorable and I love like the way it looks, you know? So I'm just washing my clothes because I have nothing like washed that comes with this outfit. So washing it and then it'll be ready by then. So she's went back home. I wasn't with her the whole day. So she went back to her house to go get the outfit. She's gonna be back. And then we're just gonna chill. And then when it's like 4:30ish, we're gonna go get food. Hey guys, so we already ate. We ate in and out as always. And then now we're on our way to the beach. Sunset Beach. I wanted to get it ready. And yeah, we're gonna take pictures. That's why it's already 5:48, so hopefully it's like good lighting. And yeah, here she comes.
What you doing?
We made it, guys. We made it to the Sunset Beach once again. Parasailing or whatever that is. Okay, so we're just chilling. We're waiting for my hair up so it doesn't get salty. We're just waiting for the sunset.
Let's take pictures.
Yeah, we're gonna take pics. And yeah. Let's say hi. Trying to make it, and it took me 3 years to realize I love music. Guys, my camera died and I literally checked earlier and it said I had a full battery. So yeah, now I feel a little tad bit dumb. It says if you're waiting for them to make you feel like you're enough, you'll be waiting a long time. So now I'm just gonna be reading, guys. Hey guys, so right now we're just taking pictures. It's kind of hard to record because I don't have my camera's dead, so like I can't do anything. So I'm just gonna leave my phone here and wish for the best and record me taking pictures of Valerie. Guys, we're at Tierra now. I'm gonna get the horchata. And then I'm getting my mom the rice and beans. I got her the wrong one last time. She's like, bro, she's like, it tasted so different. And I was like, the horchata, that's why, right? Rice and beans. Oh my god.